So here's a June 1st update of what we're growing around here and how it's going. So starting with the garden, we've got some plants that I've started, kind of slow going, and right now I'm trying to harden them off, which is kind of going okay. Sunburnt a few of them. Sadly, that landscape fabric's just kind of sitting vacant right now until I can get the plants ready to go in. And then I kind of just planted a little bit of everything. I didn't buy any seeds this year, so I planted what I thought we would eat and a lot more flowers. And then I've been watering them in this pool, catching rainwater, and sometimes I fill it with a hose, but it's a really fast way to water the flats. I've also got some stuff started in the greenhouse. I think I'm going to cover it. Finally figured out how I'm going to cover it with plastic, probably when it gets colder in the fall, but I use that space to plant in for now. That way the chickens won't get to it, which we just contained them for the gardening season, sadly, but they're too destructive. So the raspberries looks like they're gonna flower soon, and my asparagus is still, I've kind of neglected that. There's some pretty strawberries and chive flowers here. And our garlic, I just realized, is starting to have scapes on it. So, and the goats, we moved to a new area to kind of cut back the overgrowth. And then the kids have been having a good time playing, I guess, pioneering in our backyard. So that's what we've been up to around here. So I hope you like that. I hope your garden is growing great, and hope to see you again in a few weeks or so. Maybe leave me a comment and say what you're most excited about growing this year, or something new you're trying.